I would like to take this opportunity to thank KFI Global, who have been sponsored by Emirates NBD, who've come into our school and given us students an opportunity to develop their awareness on money management, which I think is a very essential skill that they need to develop. So thank you, Madeline, for 2 days of stimulating and engaging conversations with our students, and I'm sure that it's going to have a positive impact not only on them but on their engagement with their parents as they plan their careers and move forward. We look forward to such engagements with you in the next couple of years as well, and it's been a wonderful exposure to our students. Thank you very much for all that you do for us. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Asher.
And my name is Advait.
And this program was a truly unique experience. I mean, me personally, I just came here to skip classes. But to be frankly honest, I didn't expect to enjoy it so much, and I really did learn a lot from this.
And I think so, like, finance is very simple but easy, which is the motto of this whole agenda entirely. But you see a lot of people making mistakes in finance because they misunderstand about it, or they don't have enough knowledge about what it is. So I think that this program really helped us to dive deeper into what exactly finance is and how we can improve ourselves in the future.
Alongside that, we also had the chance to speak to our parents, which is something I never thought we'd do, and also learn from the financial mistakes they made and how we can avoid them as a whole. And overall, it was a great educational experience, and it was truly amazing. So yeah, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Trisha Mehta. I'm 16. And me, I've always hated finance. Finance, if anyone brought up money, I would fall asleep. But this program, and of course, thanks to Emirates NBD, it really opened my eyes as to what money management is and just finance in general. Commerce was always a boring concept to me, but when it came to this program, I learned things I never thought I'd even be remotely interested in. But again, I cannot thank this program enough for teaching me things that are going to help me for my lifetime and things that I will never forget ever. So I'd just like to thank everyone that organized this, and thank you to Emirates NBD.
Hi, I'm Maitreya, and I found KFI Global's program very intuitive because we learn finance in our classes, but we actually got to apply it. And that was what was interesting, because you get to know all these terms, but you never know how they apply to you. You never know how finance applies to the individual, and that's what was really insightful and what I really enjoyed about this program.
My name is Here, and I had so much fun in this program. I'm so glad I went for it. I wasn't planning on going, my friends forced me into it, and I'm so glad they did. Thank you so much, Emirates NBD and KFI Global, for doing this program for our school. And I learned so much that the schools don't teach us normally, and I've learned so much about money management and other things, and I'm just so grateful I went into this program. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Budil. Right off the bat, the KFI program was amazing. I learned a lot about finance. My friend actually signed up on behalf of me, and I accepted it for 2 main reasons. One of them, I'd be skipping the first 4 periods of class, which seemed fun. Number 2, I've always wanted to pursue a career in finance. This was very thought-provoking, and I learned a lot. It taught a lot about money management and the skills you need in the future to manage your finances. And one more thing, I usually get bored of a lot of just sessions, just plain theory or something like that, but it wasn't the same in this case. They had a lot of interactive sessions with the program manager, with the peers around you, and with your own parents. That is something I've never had. I've never had to talk about finance with my parents. And you know, I feel it just opened my path for the future financial world.
My name is Arya. I'm 17 years old. Honestly, I really am not a studious person. I've never found any of this interesting, but I'm really glad I had the opportunity to come and learn new things. And the class was really interesting. The teacher was really enthusiastic and really pushed us. Secondly, this is the first time I've done any homework at home. But yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Johan, and here at KFI Global program, I learned some amazing skills that I can now apply to my college and the rest of my life. It really taught me how to manage my money efficiently, and it was amazing. I'm really thankful I joined this course, and I'd like to thank KFI and Emirates NBD. Thank you.